Hey, it's Frank from 40 Honeybee, and just a quick video to deal with my #1 hive here. This hive is going really strong. I inspected it last time, and it had bees across all 10 frames of both boxes. Now, all the frames are not completely drawn out, so there's room for the queen to work in there, but there's also, I'd probably say there were a good, maybe up to 14 frames of brood in there. So within a week or two, this hive is going to double its population, and it's going to want to swarm. So I'm going to put a honey super on top, a third box, a full box, a deep, with a queen excluder in between, just to see if they'll start getting up there and producing some honey and reduce the swarm tendency. So thanks for joining me. It's going to be a quick one, I promise. I'm 40 Honeybee. Okay, so we're not going to go through the boxes or anything. I already did that. There's a good healthy queen in there. She's laying like crazy. I don't even have a smoker going. All I want to do is remove this top lid, remove the flexible lid, get the queen excluder on, get the box on, and Bob is your uncle. Let's see if we can do this peacefully. Let's hope the bees have not chosen violence today. I don't think so. They're pretty good bunch. Although they did sting me last time for some unknown reason. So the queen can have the bottom two boxes. She can lay in both of those, and she is laying in both of those quite nicely. But the top, we just want for honey. And it's not like I want to produce honey from this hive. I really just want to produce more bees from this hive, but I definitely want to take precautions so that it does not swarm. And that's the reason for putting this box on. It's more of a swarm prevention than a pure honey super. Alright, so I got 10 frames up here. They're lined up nicely. Got the excluder on. We'll get the inner lid on. And this hive is good. We'll check it out in a week and see. Again, just make sure she's not swarming. And that's it. That's how you add a honey super. At 40 Honeybee.